Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What if I told you that you can now trade Deriv volatility indices directly on TradingView with better charts, better tools, and more precisions? Yeah, this changes everything, guys. If you've been trading on Deriv, you already know how powerful assets like the volatility indices, boom and crash, and the synthetic indices are. But let's be honest, charting has always been a bit limited. That's where TradingView comes in, and now the two are finally connected. So right here you can clearly see this is the old this is the new Deriv platform directly on the TradingView chart. Okay, this is the old. Okay, so this is the old platform, right? So you can see that. Let me just let the chart load a bit. You can clearly see this is the old platform, and then this is the new platform, guys, and everything has actually changed, guys. What just happened, guys? Deriv has started integrating its synthetic indices like the volatility indexes. Okay, let me just show you the guys. Okay, and for you to search for it, you just include underscore. Okay, they have actually integrated the volatility 10, volatility 25, volatility 50, and the rest. And then they also have the boom and crash indices, all right, and the step indexes directly into the TradingView platform. That means that you can now analyze this asset using one of the most powerful charting platforms in the world, the TradingView. Why this is a big deal? Let's break it down to understand why this actually matters. One of the reason is the advanced charting tools. Okay, like these tools you actually seen here, they are actually advanced. Okay, so you have everything, all right, and then or secondly, previously you were not able to save templates like on the previous Deriv platform, but now you can be able to save your templates and then you just apply them to the chart. You don't have to type anything, guys. You can be able to save your templates. Okay, for instance, now you want to actually market demand zone, you can actually save a template for that. Okay, supply demand zone, all right, so you can actually have templates for that. So this actually changes everything. What you could not do previously on the other assets, you can actually do on this particular asset. Okay, so you can clearly see this is the Deriv volatility 25 index, 25 1 seconds. Okay, so you can properly mark structures, trend lines, supply and demand, everything. Two, okay, second reason is indicators are on another level. Instead of the basic indicators, you can now have access to the RSI, the MACD, the moving averages, custom indicators. You can now use these multiple built indicators that weren't available before on the Deriv platform. Okay, so how do you actually add those indicators on your chart? Okay, so you come to you can just click here, right? No, sorry, yeah, I think forgotten how to actually do that. Okay, let's see. Okay, add indicators. Okay, add indicators on that. So all right, so you just right click, can add an indicator on whatever chart, can add Bollinger Bands, whatever indicators you actually want to add. All right, so you can actually add that. All right, let's see the Bollinger Band, how that looks like. All right, Bollinger Bands. So right here I've been able to apply the Bollinger Bands on my chart, and it looks nasty because this is not my thing. Okay, so now let me just take it back. Okay, so right there you cannot be able to do all of that and it to still look professionally and clean. Okay, so number three on the list is better trade precision. This is where it gets serious, guys. With better analysis you become good at your entries, all right, so you don't just jump in. All right, you can time your entries more accurately, reduce random trades, and improve your risk to reward ratio. Why? Because everything is more precise And even if you're doing analysis, your laptop goes off, you can still come back to it anytime, or you can actually interchangeably go to your phones and so on. So the fourth one is multiple device access. Trading works seamlessly on mobile phones, tablets, and desktops, including your laptops. So whether you were trading on your phone or your laptop, your chart stays consistent compared to previously, whereby you were actually having difficulties accessing. If you can't do your without a tablet or probably a laptop, it is actually difficult using that TradingView platform, the previous Deriv chatting platform, okay, to actually make analysis. But now you can actually make that analysis with your laptop, your desktop, or your tablet and still track them on your phone because everything is synchronized together. All right. What is actually the practical impact of this? Let me be real with you guys. This is not just about nicer charts, okay? It's about becoming more disciplined, following a structured trading plan and actually trading like a professional, guys. Because now you have no excuses for poor analysis. Okay, so in case you're actually blaming the platform previously, but now you can no longer do that. Okay, so now the sweetest spot is this. You can also what do your analysis, guys. Okay, you can also backtest your trading strategy. All right, so now let's say you're actually trading let's say you're actually trading supply and demand. Okay, so you can actually backtest your trading strategy, okay, and see what happens. So now let's look at that. All right, so let's say previously you were actually you find it difficult actually backtesting. Now you can actually just do that, guys. So let's see guys. So let's see. All right, see what happens. If you're trading supply and demand, okay, this is the breakup structure which you can just place your charts and your words. All right, so you don't need to type anything again. Now you just apply the templates. Okay, so now since that's a breakup structure, this becomes our demand zone. Okay, so since it's already inbuilt, okay, so this is, I'm just illustrating, guys. So we'll buy from here when the market gets here, right? So stop loss just slightly below, target just above. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, so the market comes, it triggers us in, stop loss stays safe. Now let's see what happens. All right, so we couldn't do this before, guys. This is actually it's actually a game changer, guys. So it's actually a game changer. All right, so you see this now. This is actually perfect, guys. You can now make your analysis and become more confident with your trades. So how do you actually use this TradingView platform? In case you are not, in case you're not familiar with this, all right. So to be able to use it, okay, and take advantage of this, you have to open the TradingView account, and then you search for the Deriv indices. Okay, how do you actually search for it? You can just type the asset you want. If it's the volatility indices, okay, all right, volatility indices. All right, type the asset you want. For in this particular case, why volatility? Okay, okay, for this particular case you add an underscore, okay, so that you'll be able to get that. All right, so you search for it. If it's the boom and crash, you just type for the boom and crash indices. Okay, so you can be able to backtest, you can do a lot of things with this. Okay, so this is the boom and crash indices. This is a boom 500 index and it's actually loading, so you can still do your backtest with these, guys. You can still do your backtest. So this is simple. Okay, this is the strategy which I've actually been teaching you guys, and it still works, guys. It still works. You have a sweep of liquidity, a breakup structure, you have a pullback to provide structural liquidity. Now let's see that in real market. Okay, let's see how that plays out. Okay, So this is the our advanced market structure model. Okay, so we're gonna do that now on the boom and crash indices, guys. So all right, so let's see. Here we have what a sweep of liquidity. We're just gonna add all of that. Okay, we have what a sweep of liquidity right there. Right, so just gonna add all of that because it seems more like they are all together. We have a liquidity sweep right there. So we'll have a break of structure right here. Okay, so that advanced market structure still works. Okay, I'm just trying to make an illustration so that you guys can clearly see. And now let's see if this is up to 50%. So you take your fib from there to here. So you see it's clearly 50% of our fib, so which makes it a valid setup. Okay, so right here we have our structural liquidity. Okay, we have a structural liquidity. Right, so since we have our structural liquidity, we're going to mark, let's play it and see. Right, we have our second breakup structure, which is right here, guys. So since we have a second breakup structure, we're just going to go ahead and label that clearly. All right, we have a second breakup structure. Okay, so this is clear enough, and the next thing we're looking for to mark out is our PI, a point of interest. Okay, so you can see this previous zone here, which seems to be very clean. Okay, so now we can mark our protected high and lows. So a protected high. Now let's see how far the market goes before that pullback. Okay, so this becomes our protected low. Okay, so the market finally hits our point of interest. Okay, so you can clearly see that's our PI stop loss just below 100 and something pips. So we have a clean 1:5. All right, so let's see what happens, guys. So sweet, guys. So you can now backtest any given strategy, guys. You can now backtest any given strategy. So that's actually a game changer. Execute your trades through your Deriv account. Simple. You apply the strategy, mark structures, apply indicators, whatever. If you're serious about trading synthetic indices, you need to start using this setup immediately, okay? Because the traders who adapt first are the ones who make the most money. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment, okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.